The Route Manager system is a complete one that allows you a number of different functionalities. The menus are easily organized by category for lists, transactions, reports, handhelds, tools. There's even an online help system that will help you get the most out of the system. One of the most important things that you find as you look at the system is how to access customer information. That's a convenient drop-down tab on our main menu. As you come into the screen, you'll notice that there are a number of different tabs that have information about each customer. In addition, we make looking up information for the accounts extremely easy. As you press the Find key, you can put in a few characters of the last name, for example, and then look up the account by their name. Or choose from any of these other fields, such as zip code, their street name, their phone number, even their email address. If you are converting from an older system, you may have a special lookup field. If so, we call that extra, and you can look up by that field as well. By simply pressing the OK key, in a fraction of a second, the system will bring up the account information for this particular customer. Here, you can see their name and address for their billing information. You have phone number, contact, email information. All of these things are conveniently located at your fingertips. On different tabs, you'll find information like their account balance, what we call the credit tab, where you can classify people according to their customer type, how they pay, when they became a customer, etc. You'll find the contacts information log helpful as well. This is where you can add notes about your interaction with the customer. Some of them come up automatically, like if you change a cooler out, or have a past due message, or perhaps a return check. The last two tabs, the Route and Products tab, is where you have delivery information for this particular account, where you have their address, contact information. Over here you'd have the routing information, including the name of the driver who's servicing that account, the sequence that they'll be delivered in, when they will be delivered next, their last delivery. Even latitude and longitude can be stored for automated mapping purposes. You can store special messages for this account. In addition, with our comprehensive routing system, you can set customers up on daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, every 8 week schedules. All of these can be configured in the system depending upon how you set it up. The colorful calendar gives you a very clear visual indication of when the customer will be delivered. Here, for example, the customer is delivered every Thursday. The last tab of the customer screen is for products. On this screen, you'll find three different things. First, default products. Next, deposits. And finally, equipment. Under the products area, this is where you're able to assign products to this particular account. If there's special pricing, you can note that here, as well as requested delivery quantities. The deposit section allows you to keep track of bottles, cylinders, pallets, cages, or other items that you may have assigned to this particular account. Finally, with equipment, this is where you can track serialized items, such as coolers, merchandisers, display cases, or other equipment. You even have the option of being able to charge rent for these items. All of this information is conveniently located in the Customer Information screen. Under the Transactions is where you do daily processes. As information comes back from the handheld, you may need to make corrections. You have an area for payments, which allows for credit cards, bank transfers, lockbox. Many different options are available. Many of these are with the core system. Some are options. Here, for example, you can see daily reports, a posting process. On a monthly basis, you can generate rents. There's package plan support. Even finance charges are calculated automatically for appropriate account. As you see here on the screen, there's additional functionality for equipment, stock control, even purchase orders. Our reports are some of the most comprehensive in the industry. The major categories that you will find are accounting, management, communication, route reports, inventory, equipment. In addition, you have a full flexibility in generating statements. Statements can be done on a monthly basis. They can be generated at will. They can include copies of invoices with each particular statement. All of these are built-in functions with the system. Of course, the handhelds area is a very important one. Here is where you're able to transfer data to the handhelds on a daily basis, or you can retrieve it at the end of the day. As you do so, reports will be generated that allow you to keep complete control over your business. In addition, other functionality allows you to print route tickets. and additional functions here, including our advanced mapping module, which allows you a streamlined way of organizing your customers by geographic area. You can see them visually on a map, so you can see exactly where your customers are. A number of different tools will help you as you use the package. These are segregated by category, including our EC2000 program, which allows your customers to see information from your accounting system on your website. Electronic filing that allows you to scan and store documents and retrieve them at a later point in time. Global changes will allow you the functionality to change a number of different pieces of data, as shown here on the screen. All in all, Route Manager is a comprehensive package designed for today's route delivery business. That's why we call ourselves America's Route Accounting System. We trust that you will want to investigate our software further so that you can fully understand the features that will allow you the benefit of saving time, reducing costs, increasing your cash flow, and making your business a more effective place to work.